You hotter and colder for her?
Yeah, cold! You're practically frozen! We're not playing freeze tag! Warmer! 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 You're practically on fire! You are colder! Colder! Warmer! 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 Or colder? A little cooler. A little cooler. A little cooler. A little cooler. Cooler. Colder. Colder. Warmer. Colder.
He's giving you a dumpster.
You are cold, Ashley.
I am very cold.
And what?
Warmer, 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 warmer. You're practically burning up. You are on fire.
You got a pull with the tire.
Ashley, what is it?
I don't know.
Do you remember when we played a game when we were in Lake Chelan?
All we need is a ball. Forte, Maple!
Did you like that game?
Yes.
I had so much fun playing that with you that I thought you would like it.
Callie, come on.